Hey guys, again, sorry for the really bad lighting again because my lamp broke, as you know from last video. But today, oh my gosh, today we're going to be reassembling all of these keys which I can't even hold up because they'll just fall apart. These are all the cubes, and I sorted them from the best cubes to the worst cubes, which are over here, and the best cubes, which are over here. So let's just show you what the cubes are. Starting off with the Rubik's brand. Considering this is a Rubik's brand, I lubed it up with DNM37, and I also found a way to tension the cube by sawing off these center caps. Yes, it might be loud, but it's actually pretty good and corner cuts pretty well, and I can pretty much do TPS on it. This Yushin Little Magic 3x3, which lost the center cap, is pretty much over lubed, and it feels very similar to the RCM 2020. I think I mentioned that in the review. It's just that the RCM 2020 is just a much better version, and it's actually my main. But the Yushin Little Magic, it's not really the best for me. The YJ Yulong V2M, it's a bit too flexible for me, and I hate flexible cubes. I love stable and compact cubes. The Yushin Kylan, which is a stable compact cube, which is pretty good. It's just that corner twists are a big problem, and also it's a bit flexible, a bit too flexible again. The Meilong M, and if this cube actually wasn't self-magnetized, it would have been my main. As you can see, some magnets weren't glued in properly because I suck at magnetizing stuff. But yeah, it's still pretty good. The Dian Tengyun V2M, and I love this cube. I like the feeling of it more than my main, the RCM 2020. It's just that it doesn't perform the best. It's some weird lockup issues, and the corner cutting is way too snappy. And finally, the RCM 2020. This is what the Yushin Little Magic should be, and it's my main. So let me just get my timer, and you can't even see the timer because you got all the cubes here. So I got a 19 there, which is a pretty bad time for me. Yushin Kylan. I'm already on a minute. And I'm on the YJ Yulong V2. I'm really marking up here. C, and then Meilong M, which I should get an alright time for. No, I mucked up. Yeah, this won't be good. I'm on the Dian Tengyun V2 now, and I'm shaking for no reason. I actually got an all I know. And finally, the RS3M 2020. Very bad time of 2 minutes and 29 seconds. No, I mucked up the PO. I got a 2 minute 20 seconds again? +2, but no one cares. We're at home. I got a 219, and yeah, I couldn't get sub 2, which is quite a disappointment. But hey, at least I tried. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya.